Hi. Today we're going to be talking about how to use YouTube, not just how to use it, but how to use it as an educational tool. Now, most people, including myself, don't think of YouTube as something that can or will be used educationally. Rather, it's something used for our entertainment. As you can see, this is my home page on YouTube, and it is full of, well, pretty much non-educational things. It's almost purely entertainment. But that's exactly why YouTube stuck out to me when we were given this assignment. So I want to talk about how we can use this to further our education, to help us along our course, and I hope it will help anyone who needs a tool that might be a little familiar. So to start, I wanted to come up with this search bar here. You can search anything in YouTube, and it almost will surely come up, and that includes educational things. As a math teacher, I know I've used YouTube more than once in helping me to solve certain problems, formulas. The more complex, the more videos there are, I've found. So to start, I wanted to search something perhaps a little basic, but we'll see. So I want to look up how to solve a quadratic equation. As you can see, I've actually looked this up before. Quick search, and there are many people. You get an ad for a tutor, and now there are so many options. Of course, the first one is always a sure one. 1.6 million views. That's pretty good. You simply click on this.
Have a saying, the struggle is real. Only another nursing.
Of course, we're going to get ads because it's a free service, but we can simply skip those ads. We can jump right in. This is a 12-minute long video. There are some that are going to be shorter, and you look over here to the right of the screen, there are actually some that are going to be much longer. But as you can go through it, it'll start with simple equations, and he will walk you through step by step. This man, his name is the Organic Chemistry Tutor. I've actually used him in many instances myself. And like I said, you can do this for any subject, not just math. You can do it for English, for biology. Anything you can think of, I can pretty much guarantee YouTube has it. Now, not only can it help you further your education, but it can also help you further your peers' education. If you come over to this option at the top left corner of your screen, you get a bunch of different options, of course, and these are mostly geared towards the entertainment aspect. But if you come down to your videos and you give that a click, you'll find you're at the studio channel of YouTube, and this is your individual channel. Now, this is especially important because let's say you're somebody who doesn't necessarily struggle but really excels in things. Well, this gives you a completely free platform to help your peers by making videos that walk you through certain aspects. Maybe you understand quadratic equations very well. Well, if that's the case, you can use your knowledge and create a video much like I'm doing now, and much like the videos that we saw just a minute ago. You could do something just like that and be a big help to your peers. Not only that, but I've found that doing those types of things help you understand concepts well, so you're really helping yourself in the process as well. That about covers the majority of the educational tools that YouTube has to offer. I hope this was beneficial to you just as it was to me. My name is Jackson Graham. Thank you.